Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. A warm welcome to you. Today I am going to show you how to make these delicious succulent Jack Daniels wings. And guys, please, if you don't have a license to drink, don't try this recipe because you're about to get drunk. Stay with me and let's get started. To make the Jack Daniel wings, I am going to use the following ingredients. In this bowl, I have my chicken wings which have been cleaned and ready for seasonings. So I have the drum and the flat. To season my chicken wings, I am going to use smoked paprika, garlic salt, onion salt, mixed herbs, chicken seasoning, black pepper, white pepper, Himalayan salt, Adobo Badia seasoning, and olive oil to help coat the seasoning on the chicken. As always, I will list all the ingredients including measurement in the description box below. I'm going to start by seasoning my chicken wings using garlic salt, onion salt, smoked paprika. I'm going to add a generous amount of the smoked paprika because I do like some heat on my chicken, mixed herbs, chicken seasoning, black pepper, white pepper, Adobo Badia seasoning, Himalayan salt. I'm not going to add too much because the garlic and onion already had salt in them. And finally, olive oil. Just adding a little bit of that. And now I'm just going to mix everything together to ensure that the chicken is well coated in the seasoning. And as you can see, the chicken is well coated in the seasonings. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover with cling film and I'll place the chicken in the refrigerator to allow it to marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours. You can certainly marinate your chicken overnight. I'm going to be baking the chicken wings in the oven, and to coat my chicken wings I'll be using corn flour. Now the corn flour is going to give the chicken wings the crispiness once it's baked in the oven. However, if you wish to deep fry your chicken wings, that's entirely fine. So to my bowl, I'm going to add about 5 tablespoons of corn flour, and next I'm going to season the corn flour with some of the seasonings which I use on a chicken. So I'm going to go in firstly with the Himalayan salt, followed by my black pepper, followed by chicken seasoning, followed by smoked paprika. I will also add some of the onion salt and garlic salt. And next, what I'm going to do is I'll mix everything together and I will set this aside until I am ready to coat the chicken wings. So to make the Jack Daniel sauce, I have my Jack Daniel alcohol, and this is the start of the show. So this will be going into the sauce. I have dark soy sauce, honey, jerk barbecue sauce. Now I didn't have plain barbecue sauce. I only had jerk barbecue sauce. What I've decided to do is actually add tomato ketchup to the sauce so that the heat from the jerk barbecue sauce is actually reduced. So once I get to that step, you will see exactly what I'm going to do. So now let's move on to coating the chicken in the corn flour. So I've taken my chicken wings out of the fridge and I'm going to set this aside. I have my baking tray also ready, and of course the corn flour which I have seasoned. So now I'm just going to add my chicken wings to the corn flour, and I will just be coating the corn flour in the chicken wings. And next what I'm going to do is, once the chicken wings is well coated in the corn flour, I'm going to place it on my baking rack ready for baking. And these are my chicken wings. It is well coated in the corn flour. Chicken wings is ready to be baked in the oven. I have been preheating my oven, so I'm just going to Put the chicken wings in there and allow it to bake at 200 degrees for an hour. As I mentioned before, guys, if you don't wish to bake your chicken wings, you can deep fry them. And the chicken wings is ready, so I'm just going to take it out of the oven. And guys, you are going to hear how crispy the skin of the chicken wings is. Now to make the sauce, which I am going to coat my chicken wings in, I have added my jerk barbecue sauce to my wok. Now I'm going to add the honey, followed by the ketchup, just to bring down the heat from the jerk barbecue sauce. And now I'm going to add a little bit of the dark soy sauce, and I'm mixing everything together just to ensure that everything is well incorporated with one another before I get to the exciting part, which is adding the Jack Daniel alcohol to this. Now I'm just pouring my Jack Daniel in, and guys, at this rate you could really smell the alcohol, and I'm telling you, please, if you are not 18, don't try this recipe because you will be drunk. And if you really want to taste alcohol, add as much as you can, because hey, you know, we're all out here trying to enjoy. Now I'm going to add my chicken wings, and I'm going to mix everything together to ensure that the chicken wings is well coated in the sauce. And guys, this smells so good. Listen, if you are having a hen party, girls get together, you just want to chill out in the evening, Friday night, and you just want to tuck in on something nice and juicy, you have to try this recipe, guys. You would absolutely love it. That's it, guys. The Jack Daniel wings is ready. I really do hope you try this recipe because it went down a treat in my house. And as always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and click that notification bell which will notify you every time I post a new video. Enjoy your wings, and I'll see you next time. Bye.